We will get back to the house tour in just a minute, but I want you to know what we're taking a look at today. Welcome to those of you who are new to the channel, and if you're not new, thank you for coming back. My name is Sir Ashley, and on this channel we talk about money, real estate, and all things Charlotte. If you're interested or like any one of those things, go ahead and hit that like button. Also tap on the subscribe and bell icons so you can be notified when we drop new videos. This video was taken in the Poplin Grove community in Indian Trail, North Carolina, and the home builder is MI Homes. Now, MI Homes have different level of homes, meaning that they have homes at every single price point for just about everyone, from first-time home buyers to step-up buyers to people that are looking for their forever home. This community starts off right around $380,000 and it goes up from there. And prices will be going up every single month as they release more lots and increase the base price of their homes. So the longer you wait, the higher the price will be. MI Homes also has a community in Mooresville, which is just north of Charlotte, and the prices for that community start off in the 290,000s. Now, several people have reached out to me about basement homes and wanting a basement home right here in the Charlotte area. Well, their community in Mooresville has several basement homes, and the promotion at the time of filming this video right now is that they are offering half off the price of unfinished basements. Yes, half off the price of unfinished basements. For those of you who don't know, basement homes in Charlotte and in North Carolina for that matter are rare. And when you get one, it's typically 80 to 100,000 extra added to the base price. My fault. I got sidetracked talking about basements and that community in Mooresville. Today we are talking about the Poplin Grove community, and it is in Indian Trail, North Carolina. It's a suburb of Charlotte. This past week, I walked some home sites in Poplin Grove and advised my clients as they decided which home site to choose. Now, I did not intend on putting this video out yet, but after sitting back and thinking about what was going on and seeing the value and quality of not just this home, but the community as a whole, I had to share it with you all. I had to share it because I want you prepared to act and act fast when they open up more lots, because I believe this is an excellent opportunity for those looking for more space at a more attractive price point. You might be wondering, what's so attractive about Poplin Grove and Indian Trail for that matter? Well, it's in Union County, so that means that taxes will be less expensive, and typically you get more land and more house for the price compared to that if you lived in Charlotte. Also, Union County public schools are highly rated. Union County schools rank high locally, but also on a national level. And this community is less than 10 minutes away from shopping and the conveniences that you have right here in the city, and it's only 30 minutes away from uptown. Now, if you go during rush hour, it might be a little longer. Now let's go take a look at this home plan my client just went under contract for. It is the same floor plan as the model home. It's the Sonoma floor plan. It's over 3,700 square feet, 5 bedroom, 5 bath home, and it looks like it's only a 2-car garage, but as I'll show you right here, one of those bays is actually extra deep and you can fit a 3rd car in there. So 5 bedroom, 5 bath, 3-car garage. Let's go ahead and take a look.